Hey y'all, we fixed to make something pretty good. Me and Miss Janet figured this out how to do it on accident because we didn't have no bread. So that's how we got to make this. Just make some meatballs up, kind of like, and we smash them on one of these tortilla bread, these low carb things right here. That's what I'm talking about. I'll show y'all, just watch. It'll be a lot easier. You come in the winter. See, that's why you won't come in the winter, huh? Because we catch all the good stuff in the winter.
That's when we got to get nutrient?
Mm-hmm. First, we get a bowl. We're going to cut this. Boy, that's a sharp knife there. Watch it. Start out about that much hamburger meat. Then you get some breadcrumbs. We might have to do this twice times. We're going to put a little bit right there. A little more. I like the Italian style breadcrumbs. We're gonna get an egg. That's a chicken egg, y'all. In case you're wondering why. I always say that chicken egg, but people don't understand. When I was growing up, you had all kind of eggs. You had duck eggs, geese eggs, guinea eggs, all kind of eggs. And the good thing was when you had a duck egg, Grandma had a duck egg and she was doing something with it, usually she was gonna make a cake. Mm-hmm. The breadcrumbs, I don't know what it does. It just gives it a good flavor. Miss Janet been doing this for years like this, so she showed us how to do it. I don't know where she learned it. That's pretty good mixed, I think. All right, y'all. This is all rolled up, ready to go, all mixed. I really think I need to go wash my hands. I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show y'all what we do next. Oh, we got our hamburger made up. Fixed to get some of these little round doodads, I don't even know what you call them. The low carb tortillas. I can't speak Spanish, so we're gonna try to do 3 of these, I think. The reason I use low carb is because that's what Miss Janet buys. Other than that, I really ain't got a clue. Y'all know I don't deal with the carbs. We're gonna put a little pad on each one. Come on. Probably gonna have to add more. But watch this, y'all. Flat. Miss Janet usually does this part. Y'all, this is something real fun you can do with the grandkids. It's fun, it's easy, simple. You know how I like simple. We all fixed up. Y'all watch this. It's fun. It's just something fun to cook. You do this with the kids and grandkids, they love it. Let me see if I can get my thing going here. Squirt a little of this slipper stuff on here. There we go. Get one of these flipping things. I like to add all the time, make sure nothing sticks. Hamburger's got a lot of fat in it. It'd probably be all right, but you can do it without oil if you want. But watch this, y'all. This is all I'm doing, watch. I do smash it down some more. All right, that's one. That's twice time. Y'all hear it sizzle? Oh, it's gonna be good, yeah. Watch this. Last one. Watch this, y'all. We got a lot more stuff to do here. Woo! And y'all know me. Now, the people that do know me know that I don't like to touch mayonnaise. I don't want to be nowhere around mayonnaise. But let me show you what we're gonna make right here with mayonnaise. We're doing this first. Probably, I'm gonna say 2 spoons and a little bit more. Y'all, I really don't like this stuff. Then we're gonna get some ketchup, and I'll tell you what we're gonna do. We're gonna get a little mustard first. This is just a sauce I like to make, but I'm definitely gonna do it my way. Okay, we got mayonnaise, mustard, ketchup. Sounds better than, or it looks better than it sounds, huh? Look at that, that's pretty, ain't it? Ain't that pretty? That's looking good, y'all. Now we're gonna add some else. Some of the sweet relish. I love this stuff. We're gonna put a lot of this. Can't never have too much of that. Mix that all in real good. Got all this mixed up, y'all. Everything's looking good. This is what we're gonna do next. We're gonna get us 3 more of these things. Slap them down just like this. Just like this. Move that one right there. Watch this, y'all. Gonna turn them over. Kind of cook the other side. Oh boy. Oh boy. All right, y'all. That looking good? You just think it's looking good. Now watch this. Put a little of this special sauce on here. Y'all. Wonder what the po folks is eating tonight, because I know we're gonna be eating good. Well, if you don't like this special sauce, which you will, you better eat it and you better like it. But if you don't, you can always put something else. Just regular ketchup, mustard, whatever you want on them. Pickles, lettuce, tomatoes, if you really want to eat that kind of stuff. But add a little cheese. Watch this, y'all. Oh, yeah. Put a little more on that one right there. Here, y'all, we're going to turn these to another side. After we put these on them, watch this. This is hot, so we're going to put that on there. It's going to smash it down. Come here. Where you going? Put that on there. Smash it down. Me and Miss Janet, to be honest with you, we run out of bread. And this is what we come up with. And hey, turn it over. It worked. The grandkids was over one night, and Janet said, well, we was out of bread again. The kids wanted hamburgers. I said, how about something a little different? So we did this. It worked. And hey, we here. All right, y'all, this one ought to be about ready. And set that one right there. Look there. Oh, boy. Twice times. 3 times. Cut your thing off. Now you gotta get ready to eat these things. Here we go. Let me get a knife and cut them up. We gotta cut these up and go for the inside and look at them. Just look, see, you can see all the good stuff in them. And then we're gonna eat it. Here we go. Who would have ever thought that running out of bread would lead to something this good? I'm serious, y'all got to try this. It is super good. And keep watching more. We're gonna keep cooking.